Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Today we're gonna make this very luscious and delicious stuffed avocado. We're gonna stuff it with some shrimp that we're going to make with some veggies and some olive oil and lime. Very healthy, very light, low in carbs, low in calories, and super satisfying. Before we do anything, if you could please sub and turn on the notification button, I'd really appreciate it. And let's go do this. We're gonna bring some water to a boil to cook our shrimp. And I'm gonna put half a lime in here. I'm also gonna add a bay leaf and some peppercorns. So I want you to have a bowl of ice water ready before you start cooking the shrimp. I'm gonna cook half a pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Very important that you devein shrimp, guys. It's disgusting when it has that poop sack there. It's gritty, it doesn't taste good. So make sure that your shrimp is clean. Shrimp cooks really quickly, so be ready, okay? Be careful not to overcook your shrimp because it will make it rubbery. But also make sure it's cooked through, okay? All right, shrimp has changed color. It's ready. I'm gonna take it out into the ice water. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of finely diced red onion in this bowl. This is a big lime, guys, and so I'm gonna now squeeze half of it. I'm just gonna let that onion sit there for a few minutes so that it takes away the, so it's not so strong while I chop the shrimp. So we'll pull the tails off, and I'm going to cut this in pieces like so. You don't want them to be too big or too small. We have to stuff an avocado with them, so you don't want them to be too big. We're gonna put all the shrimp into the bowl. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of chopped cucumber. 1 tablespoon of cilantro, and a medium tomato, which I chopped. I'm gonna add salt. Don't forget that shrimp is naturally salty, so don't overdo it. And I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil in here. Let's call it a teaspoon. So this is how we're gonna serve this. Cut an avocado in half. Peel it. I have a little bit of spring greens in here. I'm gonna put a little bit of lime juice and salt on the avocado. And I'm gonna fill it. Oh yes. Make sure you use that little bit of dressing that we have in there. And here we have a beautiful meal when you wanna eat light and delicious as well. So let's taste this. Our shrimp has marinated a little bit in that lime juice with the cilantro and the salt. It's very good. This is good stuff. I'm not gonna try and eat it in front of the camera like this because I'm gonna make a mess. It's gonna go all over the place. But, flavor, flavor, flavor. Delicious. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow.